Alrighty, welcome back to Weenie Trades. In this video, I'm just going to be giving a chill Friday recap. So I'm going to be talking about the trades I took today and kind of what I'm looking forward to over the weekend, what stocks to kind of keep an eye on, and moving forward from there. So let's talk about the trades today. Boeing, first trade of the day. Boom, nice good push up. I went ahead and went long Boeing right about 254.90. Took some profits off at 257, 258. Tried to do Boeing again at 256 and then stopped out. There's a lot of congestion on Boeing, but Boeing, nice good uptrend all day. And this came from the daily chart. And I mean, a lot of weenies caught Boeing from the private live stream. They caught it from the free live streams. So we were all over Boeing. We talked about the bull flags. We talked about how we're rounding up, getting ready to pop vertically. And so we are totally ready for Boeing. Super fun stuff. I went ahead and took some profits on vertical spreads today, and Boeing just really good push up. You know, it took some profits right off at about 259 on some vertical spreads, took profits off at about 265 on some vertical spreads, and still holding my last Boeing vertical spread right over here. If we check out Boeing 265, 270 calls, total cost of $106, and the most this can be worth is $500 if Boeing can be above 270 by June 16th. This is a little bit far away, so I might take profits a little bit early, but I'm just going to hold this for as long as I can. The more in the money that you become on a debit spread, the less risky it becomes because you have more time to make those decisions on whether to take profits or whether to cut losses. So that was Boeing today. GME was another good morning trade today. If we go to the show trades tab, we can go to the show trades, and look right here, first thing in the day, see a nice good bull candle and break over this initial morning high. I wanted to get long at about 276, but had to chase just a little bit at 280 because I know I can have a stop loss down here. And then I'm just peeling profits into momentum. Glad I took some profits on this Tweezer Doji in a kind of a supply zone. So that was GameStop. And then later, you know, I tried to trade GameStop again, and I actually unfortunately stopped out, you know, right over there, stopped out. Right over there, stopped out. So gave back a little bit of the open P&L, but that's okay. The sizing is always less on my second trade than after the first trade. So that's GameStop. Look for a potential breakout over today's high, otherwise underneath today's lows, and GameStop could get pretty ugly as it is right now. So that was GameStop. And then our last trade of the day was actually on Disney. And Disney actually traded for a little bit of a stop out right here. Tried to go long on this candle, then stopped out. I think I just got wicked out. That's unfortunate, but Disney, I traded a put credit spread. So what I did here on Disney is I sold the 195 put, and then I bought the 192.50 put, and that collected that collected about $80, $88, and that's just as Disney closes the day above 195. I'd collect $88, and I was gonna have a stop loss just underneath there. That stop loss barely held, and we got this nice good rocket ride on Disney. Took profits up there, so plus $60 on the Disney put credit spreads, and this will all be covered in the options course. So it was a super fun and profitable trading week. I mean, it's so much fun, you know, trading, having the opportunities with, you know, being over PDT. There's a lot more opportunities that you can do. Trying to still find a new different trading style, but super exciting. Moving forward, I am going to be watching PLTR to see how this relative strength really works out on PLTR. I want to see if PLTR can get up to 2750s, 28s, maybe up to 30 next week. If the momentum continues, stop is going to be probably underneath 25, 26. It's a little bit of a wide stop, but it's PLTR. You got to give it a little bit of wiggle room. I'm going to be keeping an eye on SQ. SQ had nice, good relative strength all week. We got the pullback that I was looking for, and now we're starting to pop this channel upwards. So SQ might open up a new swing trade over the weekend. And I am also watching Disney. Disney reset. You know, we made a new high. Now we're pulling back. Is this going to be a bear flag and, you know, drop, base, drop? Or are we going to get on top of the bear flag and then start a new trend upwards on Disney? I'm leaning towards the new uptrend on Disney, but we can always break down. So just keeping an eye out on that. So be sure to check out the course. The private live stream will be on Sunday. And thanks for tuning in. See ya.